Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will walk through how to define distinct membership levels, restrict access based on membership tiers, and implement effective pricing strategies using Paid Memberships Pro. First, navigate to Memberships and go to the settings. Here we get an option of Create a Membership Level. Click on this option. By clicking on this option, you can see the type of membership you want to create. You can create free, monthly, annual, one-time, lifetime, trial, and advanced. Click on the membership you want to choose. Now, the name for the membership here. Now, click Select the group for the membership here and write the description here. Now, write the confirmation message here. While scrolling down, write Select the billing method. If your membership is free, you can make it $0, or if you have a paid membership, you can write the amount here. And if you're using a paid membership, you can also select this recurring subscription by using this option. You can add the billing amount here. This amount will be billed one cycle after the initial payment. You can select this drop-down to select days, weeks, months, or years. Now, you can also add the billing cycle limit here for the recurring billing cycles for the levels, including the trial period. And you can also add the custom trial period by using this option. Add trialing at the trial amount here. While scrolling down, you can set the expiration setting. You can set when the membership need to be expired. Click on this option. You can add the expiration of membership to be event inside the duration of membership access here. By clicking on this option, you can choose hours, days, weeks, months, or years. And if you have created the category, you can select the category from here. This membership will be applied to the post categories you have created in your post settings. And while scrolling down, click on this Other Settings. Here, if you want to disable a new sign up to hide the level of membership level or page, use this option. Now, while doing this all, as you can see that the first membership level is created. And we have created a free membership here. We can click on this copy option to make another membership. You can change the name to Premium and write the description here and the confirmation message. By scrolling down, click on Billing Details. We can add the initial amount here because we are going to create a premium membership. Click on Recurring Subscription, add the billing amount, and add the duration for the billing amount. And if you want to add the billing cycle, use this option. Click on Custom Trial, add a trial amount here, and the duration for the trial amount. While scrolling down, if you want to set the expiration date, you can use this option. You can apply this premium membership to the categories. You can select the categories from here. By scrolling down, click on Save. Now, you can see that we have created two levels here, free and premium. Now, we will arrange them according to the groups. First, click on Add New Group. Here, you can write the name of a group. Click on Save Group. So, now the group is created. We can also add the membership level by clicking on Edit option. Here, we can do the edit of existing members. You can choose the membership level group here we have created. Scrolling down, click on Save Levels. As you can see now, the group we have created the membership is assigned to them. Now, we will see how can we assign the membership to the categories. Go to the Post and Categories. Here, we can write the name of category here. Write this link for the categories and description for the category. Here you can assign this category as a free membership or the premium membership we have created before. Click on the membership you want to select. Now, click on Add New Category. Now, doing this category, the membership level is assigned to this category. Now, we will see how can we assign the membership level to the page. Write the name for the page here. Select, as you can see on the right side, just below, write Membership option. Select the membership level here. You can select free membership or the premium membership for it. You can select both. Click on Publish. So, when we open the page, we can see that the membership is successfully assigned to the page. When we click on the View Membership Levels, so here we can select the membership levels here. Either we want to choose the premium membership, we can click on this option, and then for the free membership, we can use this option. By effectively creating membership levels, restricting content access, and implementing thoughtful price strategies, we can better manage membership sites. Hope it is clear for you now how you can create and manage membership levels. Subscribe to watch more cool tutorials.